Hi everyone. Welcome to our English learning quiz for beginners at the B2 level. In this video, we'll go through 25 phrases and you'll have to choose the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's get started. She quickly to the new environment. Answer A. Adapted. He gave a speech at the conference. Answer A. Enthusiastic. The team's was evident in their victory. Answer B. Collaboration. She managed to her fear of heights. Answer A. Overcome. He has an understanding of the subject. Answer A. Profound. They need to the budget for next year. Answer A. Allocate. Her presentation was very. Answer A. Informative. The of the project is crucial to its success. Answer A. Management. She an important role in the company. Answer A. Plays. They were by the news of the merger. Answer A. Surprised. He is known for his behavior. Answer A. Reliable. The policy will affect the economy. Answer A. Significantly. She the project with great enthusiasm. Answer A. Approached. They the importance of teamwork. Answer A. Recognized. He has an attitude towards life. Answer A. Positive. The new software will productivity. Answer A. Enhance. She has a schedule this week. Answer A. Hectic. They their differences and work together. Answer A. Resolved. He is to learn new skills. Answer A. Eager. The of the event was unexpected. Answer A. Outcome. She her goals with determination. Answer A. Pursued. The team's performance was. Answer A. Outstanding. He made an impression on his boss. Answer A. Favorablet. They their plan to the committee. Answer A. Presented. She from a well-known university. Answer A. Graduated. Great job, everyone. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time.